Alright, we back on. Got it all taken out the box. Got the single dump plumbing assembly, big check valve. Got the straight shot from the pump straight to the hoses. Same thing over here. This gonna be my front. One for each pump. Yeah, these my front pumps, the number 11s. But I gotta take these dumps off right here. They just gonna be extra dumps I'm gonna have. Nice though. Extra dumps I'm gonna have just in case in the future. I can even use them on that link, on my Cadillac on that hydraulic system. But I'm gonna replace these dumps right here with these dumps for the front. Yeah. I'm gonna replace these dumps on this assembly and mount them to the front tanks. I'm gonna leave these like they is, or like they are. And in the future, next time I do any upgrade as far as in the trunk, I'm gonna move those dumps back to the back pumps. Put my new ones on the front. These are the new motors. Got the extra ground on them. For good grounding, they got a ground on it. Hot and ground tanks. I'm gonna unwrap these tanks. Oh yeah, this the switch panel. Well, the panel for the switches. This the one I ordered. It didn't come from Black Magic. And my switch panel distribution for easy maintenance and repair. You ain't gotta do all the other stuff. Just disconnect it right there. Switch panel wire, switches, solenoid connectors, all solenoid. There go my hoses. Yeah, we gonna be looking good this summer. All this going on the Lincoln. Did the frame already and stuff. 2006 frame. 96 frame. 2005 body. Transmission and motor. Oh yeah. Let me get it together. And unwrap these tanks and assemble it. And I'll cut you back on. Okay, switch panel. Single hopping switch. Wish it still had that engraving on it that they used to have, but it's nice. I got one of these in the Cadillac. I don't know if it got engraving on it. I'm gonna have to look and see.